eye po ng Department of Tourism yung P-pop group na BINI as tourism?
Of course, ano yun, kung sana, I don't know kung tinanggap na ng BINI, but of course, for us, it's a very, very big help. Especially, BINI is becoming a global icon. As a Filipino, di ba? So, parang dati Manny Pacquiao, we have Manny Pacquiao. So, anybody who wants to be a global ambassador for our countries, very much salamat. Napakalaking tulong. Not only for BINI, but of course, Alex is also there. As an ambassador, di ba? So kami, meron din kami sports tourism na kami yung nag-repair at gumawa ng rehabilitation ng Rizal stadium nitong ulit para magawa lang yung tennis event ng WTA. So galing sa amin yun as part of the sports tourism. So BINI is part naman ng sa music festival and everything, nandiyan naman yan. So malaki. Malay ko maging BTS sila as globally as well as BTS. So they can help us, di ba? So sana ma-accept nila. We're praying. Sana maging global ambassador sila ng Pilipinas para makatulong sa atin. Yun naman, salamat.
May request sila.